Color theory. So obviously, color theory is the knowledge, effects, and practical guidelines of the use of color in art. Color has large psychological implications in a composition. So color theory is just all about the science of color, both its effect from aesthetics as well as its use. So what I want to show you is just how to describe the colors in general. So our primary colors are the colors that we make all the rest of the colors by mixing them, but they cannot be made on their own. There's no way to make that color. You can just use that color to make other colors. So for example, I can't use orange and green to make yellow, right? But I can use yellow and blue to make green, right? So those are my primary colors in this kind of basic school sense here. So hopefully that makes sense. Now, when we make things for emissive displays, meaning screens, we use RGB, right? Red, green, blue. So that color wheel would look different than this color wheel. But that being said, we'll just define it this way, just in a traditional sense, because you actually do use red, green, and blue to make all the other colors, and you can make, red, green, blue, and you can use yellow. You make yellow by mixing, green and red, right? So, which is kind of a weird way of doing it, but it's just a different style. Secondary colors are just the colors that are mixed halfway between. So that would be your orange, your green, your purple, right? You're probably familiar with all of those. And then tertiary colors are the colors in between those. So you would have yellow, orange, or red, orange. You always start with the primary color, then the secondary color name, and that's how you specify each one of those.